In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut clips in your timeline with the razor tool. If you're trimming a rough cut, removing a mistake, or simply breaking a long shot into manageable sections, this quick technique will give you precise control over your edits. First, choose the razor tool. The fastest way is to press the C key on your keyboard. You can also click the razor icon in the toolbar if you prefer using the mouse. When the razor tool is active, your cursor changes to a little blade, which is a clear visual cue that you're ready to make a cut. Next, make the cut right on your timeline. Move to the clip you want to split and click exactly at the point where you want the cut to happen. Aim for a clear edge or a natural pause if you're cutting dialogue or action. If your edit needs to be ultra precise, take a moment to let the playhead guide your eye and make sure you're clicking directly on the clip, not in an empty area of the track. As soon as you click, the software places a cut at that exact frame. You'll see the result immediately. The clip is divided into two separate pieces at the point you clicked. This split is non-destructive, which means your original media file stays safe. You're only cutting the clip's reference inside the timeline. Each new section can now be adjusted independently, so you can fine-tune timing, add transitions between the pieces, or keep one part and discard the other. When you're done cutting, switch back to your regular editing cursor so you can move or remove sections. Press V to return to the selection tool. With the selection tool active, click a section to highlight it, and then drag it to a new position or delete it if you don't need it anymore. This is where the power of the razor cut really shows. By isolating the exact portion you want, you can reorganize your timeline cleanly without affecting the rest of your sequence. A couple of quick tips as you work. Make your cut at a logical moment in the action so the edit feels smooth. If you notice a slight pop in audio after a cut, consider